Hello everyone, my name is Viola Wiegand and I'm from the CLiC Dickens project team. We're really excited about a new feature that's just been added to CLiC in May 2017, and that's the KWICGrouper. In this video I will show you how you can use the KWICGrouper to sort and group concordance lines in a more complex way than the usual left and right sorting. The KWICGrouper works within a concordance, so let's start with a simple search for the noun hands in all of Dickens in the whole text. The search may take a moment depending on the frequency of the word you're looking for. The results are ordered by occurrence within the books, and when we scroll down we can see that in this case there are 2,615 entries and they're spread over 53 pages of concordances. These are obviously too many concordance lines to check by hand, so let's use the KWICGrouper to look for some patterns. To open it, click on this tab and it will slide open. The KWICGrouper searches through the concordance and highlights any matching lines. You can change the search span by dragging the slider if you want to search at a particular position. When I click into the text box, a list of all the words in the current span pops up. You can scroll to a word that's relevant to your question, or type one directly. I want to check pockets, so I just start typing and any matches are shown. The KWICGrouper is now looking for lines that contain both hands and pockets, and as you can see, there are matching lines. These have been moved to the top of the concordance and they've also been highlighted. There are 137 matching lines, and because each page holds 50 lines, our matches extend to page 3. Any lines beyond line 137 don't contain the word pockets, so they're still white. Within our shaded lines, we can do the normal sorting. So sorting on the right, for example, I can see that there are many instances of the word his. So we could also add that to the KWICGrouper. After a moment, we'll then get more matches. The top rows will now include 2 his, both pockets and his, in a darker shade. If I add another term, for example in, we'll get purple lines with 3 matches at the top. And with a 4th match, for example the word with, this will lead to pink lines. However, 4 colors are actually the maximum. If you really wanted to add a 5th term, let's say deep, in order to highlight the 2nd line in the screen, this will repeat the colors from the start. But this is probably more than we'll actually need for sorting the lines. So these are the basics of the KWICGrouper. Don't forget that you can get more specific patterns when you use the KWICGrouper technique on a more restricted search. Let's do a search on a subset of long suspensions. Those are sequences of 5 or more words that interrupt character speech. Now we only get 189 entries, and searching for pockets in the KWICGrouper gives us only 14 lines. So this is a nice small set that we can actually read through, and the KWICGrouper also shows that all 14 lines contain the word his. So this is where the more qualitative work starts, and you can, for example, sort them, and you can also get more context with the in-book button. We hope that this video has given you some ideas for working with CLiC and finding non-continuous patterns. We'd love to hear what you think about it, and you can contact us via email or Twitter.